That nigga never got nothing on his feet.
Welcome back.
He never got no zapatos on his feet. Nigga always barefoot down here.
Bro, why are you speaking to me? No zapatos. You need zapatos.
Yo, welcome back to React to Boy BJ, bro.
We just started.
Bye-bye.
We about to die. Right.
We're about to react to getting girls' numbers with a flip phone in Miami. Yo, did somebody ever get your number with a flip phone before?
No, because when I
Nigga never scoot you with a flip phone.
with a flip phone. A nigga never scooped me, period. Like, I've been with your father. Who's scooping me anywhere?
Man, when you were younger?
So daddy scooped you with
No, daddy scooped me with your auntie.
Oh, you said auntie is scooping? Okay. Okay, that was some real soul shit. I know why you can't just do it yourself, but you know, that's how you doing it. Shit. You sending people. I thought you was a tough guy.
Your boyfriend and your father was friend.
So he did like, yo, put me on.
Yeah.
Tell your girlfriend to put me on with the other
sister.
girl.
Probably like, your girl got no sisters, bro? Put me on.
Daddy's
You don't
special.
got no sisters, no friends, no? I see one of those. I want to get one of those. They like band.
What is that?
It's 900K today merch out now.
So I'm really blind. I did not even see that
Today,
niggas
man,
on
merch out too,
words on
man.
there.
In the description, man. Let's go, man. Y'all make sure y'all sub up, bro. Hey, the board say, Q and Dirt, not fucking nothing, man. This is not gonna hit nothing while they in my head. No, not me. Hey, that help. This nigga, bro, Q and...
So you think if I go to Miami, I'll be out there going crazy?
I think you just be the same person that you are, no matter where you are.
I would be going crazy, right? I just want to see what you're saying.
Not going...
From a mom's perspective.
No, I don't think nothing. You probably, break out one time and come back. It's not like
Break out with time is crazy. Break out with time is
you
crazy.
might break out one time and come back, but it's not gonna be a all the time thing.
So
you have to enjoy yourself a little bit and come back. That's
So what does breakout one time mean? Like, what is that to you in your head?
Do something wild for one time and fall back.
Okay.
Not every day wilding out like you ain't got no sense.
Okay. Just had to make sure. This my mom know I got respect for myself.
You trying to bet, don't you, last night?
Everybody make up. Know me while I.
That's tough right there. Hey, look, man. Man, stop getting in trouble, man. Don't tell me what he did. Free my dog, though. You know what I'm saying? This right here. I need that right there.
That's a what?
That's a Nokia.
That's a Nokia, yeah. It's not a flip phone.
God damn, man.
It is an old
I
phone.
just seen that video you put in my phone, man.
Man, fuck on them also break.
They be having the joints in Miami. I'm not gonna lie.
I'm gonna get a whole bunch of bitches with this flip phone right here, man.
Did cop a flip phone.
I definitely had a flip phone though.
Nigga try to flip it, you couldn't flip it.
Goddamn, dribble shoot, baby boy. Hey, dribble shoot, man. How many numbers you had to get with this flip phone right here? With a flip phone right here, huh? No.
I don't know who recorded. Who is recording?
You can't get no with this right here.
Cameraman. Cameraman's recording.
I think that's Chris.
No, it's the cameraman that's recording.
Yo, he's all over the place, bro.
You got boyfriend? Yeah.
You going everybody else?
He's making my but you ain't gonna do that. Zoom out or something. He's making my eyes.
Why you got jeans on in Miami?
So we ain't enough for your jeans in Miami.
I just bought it.
Oh yeah.
Can't wear jeans.
They can't wear jeans in Miami.
It's illegal.
I'm just
You can't wear
saying,
jeans in Miami.
it's 87 degrees outside.
We walking in the
Walking in what?
in the park.
What
When we
park?
went to Six Flags and niggas got jeans on. Sorry.
You didn't have no damn jeans on.
Yes, they did.
Stephon had jeans on.
In Six Flags?
Dwayne had jeans on.
$30.
Jeans on 87 degrees.
Yes, bro.
The man like the musty.
It was dripping. It was looking nice. Watch out. Why is she so close? She wants a kiss.
Yo, that's really how it be. Yeah, oh my God. Nigga just
walked out on him.
Bro, she just
She
pulled up.
walked out on him.
Yeah, I gotta go one time, bro.
It was like she wanted a kiss. Like she was about to kiss him. She was about to kiss him.
Nigga is just standing there. She pulls up like,
Yeah, like
yeah.
can I get a kiss?
Bro, but it's like, how do you even react to that as a man? Like, what do you say to her? Like what do you want? That was easy. Look, watch out.
Oh, nah, she's
Yes.
touching his face and everything.
Let me go get some numbers,
I
man.
hope you don't have a girlfriend.
Nah, I gotta go. If I go, I'm gonna do that. I'm just gonna stand there. Niggas just, I'm just gonna
See what
stand
happens. It's like, post out, see what happens.
there. You think that's rain? Right with a good nose. Yeah, the little 12-year-olds around Jesus.
That's how they do be walking around in Miami like that, man.
You taking your picture, bro. You gotta really.
I swear, when I was in Miami, nobody had on clothes.
Where you went?
When I went, nobody had on clothes.
No, we gotta go, bro. But the niggas is standing there. She pulls up on him. It's that easy? That's how easy it is?
Normal?
For handsome niggas?
It's
Gotta
that
stand
normal?
up? Shit.
Well, I told you, me and my dad was on the beach.
Oh, the lady came.
And the lady came and she was just on my dad. Just
But I'm not gonna lie. If a girl comes like
That's
that,
that
if
was
a girl
crazy.
comes to me like that, I don't know.
that was crazy.
Like, I don't trust it when girls are pursuing me more than pursuing them. I just feel a little weird.
I mean, you wouldn't want to date. I mean, I'm pretty sure.
No, I wouldn't even smash
wouldn't
that.
smash-
Like, I need a
that's
girl
crazy.
that I'm gonna go after her because I feel like she has self-respect. I'm not
Right.
saying she don't have self-respect. I'm just saying if you just.
But
pull
it's the
up
way
on
you
me-
pulling up like that, though. But you know,
That's
you have
crazy.
bold girls
Nah, some
like
girls
that.
are
They can
bold.
start their relationship.
Some New York girls are very bold.
Just like how you have bold guys and you have shy guys. You
Yeah,
have bold girls and you have shy girls.
Yeah, so I can't. Let me
You
not
can't,
say.
you
Let me not
can't
say
say that.
Yeah, let me not
You
say
know, that we still have the same feelings.
Yeah.
Male feelings, female feelings. Maybe I'm aggressive female. I gotta approach you.
Mm-hmm. Some girls is like, nah.
Some girls is like,
gotta-
nah, I
he
can't
gotta-
do that.
He gotta pull up
might
on me.
think- Yeah, he gotta like me.
Yeah.
You gotta pull up on me. You have to pull up and pull up and pull up plenty of times. They're ready.
It's a camera. They love the camera too. And the camera work?
They're not even from Miami though.
Nah.
Yeah, this is real life.
Bro, most of the people out there aren't even from there, bro.
They're not from Miami.
Oh yeah, yes ma'am.
She don't know who that is.
Yeah.
She don't know who he is.
She just knows she on YouTube.
I got a record. Yeah, he can be in it, man.
She's like, just in case he's famous. Look who I'm with.
I'm with.
He
Just
might
in
be
case.
famous just in case. Like, let me get my video. Shit.
He's a YouTuber one day.
Oh, we chilling, man. You know what I'm saying? Oh, matter of fact, I need your number, man.
I need your
Break
number,
out that
man.
flipper. Break out the flipper. That's your phone.
You like it right there?
She said, that's your phone.
Bro, that's it, bro.
That's your phone?
Yeah, that's your phone. Got it.
Hey, you gonna put me right there, right?
That's your phone?
I don't remember or not, man.
Back up.
Put it back up.
Put that back up,
Nigga
man.
said get that piece of pen on
Don't
me.
do that.
Piece of paper on a pen.
But it's like the same level of having a pen and paper. Like, that's what that is.
Oh my God.
Nah, I think pen and paper would be better.
No, boy. You judging niggas off their phone?
You could be like, yeah, I left my phone at the crib, bro.
Watch out, watch out.
Nah.
Nah! My boy with the locks is
He
getting the
got-
joints.
he's
Yeah, he getting the joints.
He's getting
He's
it.
getting the joints.
Nah, bro, girls is jacking.
But
The locks, it's the locks, it's the locks. That's why he getting his locks too. You know the
I'm
vibe.
just doing it to see if I can
You probably ain't gonna get no number.
I'm alright knowing. It didn't work with you, but it's gonna work with somebody else.
Hopefully.
Yeah, hopefully.
So hopefully.
I do need your number for real though.
You need my number?
Yep. What's your name?
Nicole. N-I-C-H-O-L-E.
I'm just gonna hit you with
Oh,
my
you
name.
gonna text me with your name?
Yeah.
Okay, do that.
Yes, ma'am. Bet. Say nothing, man.
For
sure.
Hi.
Nice to meet you though.
Nice to meet you.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah. Oh, yeah, I'm down though.
Hey, look, man, Duke be working, bro. His story is motivational, man. That boy came from the military, hustling. Now he getting back to his dog. You come, all y'all boys got going on.
Appreciate it.
All y'all boys, I know the story, man.
Everybody going crazy.
Come on, man. You know, I remember TikTok, like, I
That's
think like,
just- that's just here. don't know what that is. He just got hair in his head.
He just used the ends. He just
it's not even
twisted
a
the
style. He just got a clump of hair in his head,
That's
and he just got hair.
Got
He's
that
a hairy
hair.
man.
Hey.
I
know
get
you're
no fly real quick.
man, let's do this, man.
Hey, look what I got in the building, man.
Yes, sir.
Come on now. I would say do right too, but that boy got the.
Oh, yeah, no more, man. I ain't doing
Come on
that
now.
no more, man. You know
Yeah, that
what
boy do out here. That boy
what you got going on, though? What you got going on? What you out here doing?
Hey,
I know
man,
what you
look.
out here doing, but I want to hear you tell me what you out here doing.
I'm out here working.
Okay.
I'm saucing. Then I'm finna go be in the Smash Pass and do what I do.
Okay.
And what I do right here.
You think you gonna get pass or what?
Hey, smashing it. And look, I'm not just gonna get smashed. I'm bringing them back. I need
You actually smashed it.
Yeah. Come on.
Yeah.
Hey, man. We all be working. All the boys be working.
Oh, yeah.
Real quick, Instagram, all that. I know they know who he is already.
Nah, but hey, but my shit filming too, man. Make sure y'all go check out my dog.
Hey, man, look. Extra wavy, look. Remember this?
He's handsome though.
Who the one with the
Oh,
glasses?
the older hair.
Yo,
Yeah.
don't be calling niggas handsome on this shit, bro. Niggas handsome.
He is handsome.
Supposing you see my shit, think you like, yo, your mom think I'm handsome. Like, come on, son.
I think a lot of people
Yeah,
that's handsome is handsome.
You don't gotta say it though.
Okay.
You can thoughts to yourself.
All right.
How you calling niggas handsome? Like,
I'll
supposed
myself.
your reaction to shit like, yo, this nigga mom think I'm handsome. I'm like, yo, what's up, mom? What's up with that?
So what if your mom think he's
What's up with that? That's bad. He gonna try to disrespect me.
Right, bro?
Like, oh, your mom think I'm handsome. She wanna smash.
Oh no. Oh, that's what you said. What a smash.
She said, oh no.
Oh, no.
I'm in the place, man.
Man,
Yo.
they don't see you all over TikTok, man. For sure, man. Hey, this video gonna be so fire, but I need to learn how to keep my laugh in. You know what I'm saying? If I keep my laugh in and actually be with a straight face, whenever they say, bro, what the hell is that? I'll be straight, but it's hard though, bro. It's hard. I'm gonna get it up. I'm gonna get it up.
Because I do watch y'all. I got my hair is fine.
What you say? Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, I appreciate it. You look good too, man. But yo, I'm matter of fact, man, I need to get your phone, man. Come here, man. Hey, look. Put your phone number in this right here.
Dude, why do you?
Alright, man, I can't do it, man. I can't do it. No.
You can't
Yeah, man, I'm doing.
Not the flip phone.
I'm trying though. I'm trying to keep a straight face. I'm trying to keep a straight
What
face.
you trying to do with the flip phone?
I'm trying to see if I can actually get, you know what I'm saying, female's number with the flip phone, but I keep laughing when I pull it out.
Yeah, you gotta stop laughing.
Yeah,
You gotta be more serious.
If I start laughing, I can get it though.
Yeah.
Yeah, type shit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, it's so
Next
easy
time
to get
I'm
girls
be
with
straight up.
you.
You got serious face.
Straight up. Straight up type
You like,
shit.
feel me? This is,
Yeah,
can I get your number type shit?
Yeah,
feel me? And then pull it out.
Yeah, without
If I
laughing.
say she look cute, I mean I want to smash
Alright,
her.
what the fuck you laughing at?
If I say she look cute, I want to smash her.
No, nobody knows who she is. She's a regular girl.
I know.
The other guy was a YouTuber.
He was lit, like.
It's different. It's a different vibe.
Oh, okay.
Different vibe.
After that, give me your number. You're not gonna get it. Be like, I'm gonna find that nigga. What you talking about?
Oh, word? Okay, bet. Say less. Alright, bet. You lifting your back toe like you
I know a better posture.
Pause, bro. Too much hating Ross, bro. Too much hating, bro.
If you would have tried to put your ass on me, boy, I would have slapped the fuck out you, boy.
Testing your limits.
You just say you're not testing your limits.
What you is? You want a picture of me, bro? You a pussy, bro? Yeah.
Only if I ever.
Only if I ever feel. Shut you like TTO.
No problem. Of course.
Bro, niggas be standing around taking pictures of girls.
No, you do.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, thank you.
No problem.
Can I get your number?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Tell her to come here.
Amaya? Amaya.
He like that. Look at him. Come
He
here.
calling her.
Huh?
Sorry. What happened?
What's your name?
Amaya.
She love him. Look at him.
She's nervous right now.
She said yeah, but she mad nervous. That'd be the worst. But that's why I'm not gonna lie. It's kind of hard to be a regular man out here, especially when your girl going in situations like this. Because if she see a nigga like, oh, God, she active, she see this nigga. She's fanned out. Fully.
Fanned out.
She's fully fanned out.
Listen,
I
got that fanned out for you.
What?
I got that fanned out for you when the girl jumped in front of me like, Miss, can you take a picture of me and him?
What was that?
When we went out on vacation. We went on a trip. And the girl jumped me. I was walking next to you, but I guess she didn't know I was with you. and she saw you and she started talking to you, and then I was like, you know, going around her, and she was like, Miss, can you take a picture of him? Can you take a picture of us? And I'm like, take a picture of us? I'm like, that's my son. She was like, oh, that's your son. Please, can you take a picture of us? You don't remember? We went to Camelback.
Who's this?
I don't remember that.
No, hold on.
I remember.
We went to Camelback.
Girl.
I remember when we went to the block party in Brooklyn. And the girl, one of the dancers saw you. She started crying. Remember that day?
Yeah,
That was crazy.
Nah, that day was fun.
Yeah, they really good fans.
Yeah, he gonna be here later.
Okay, thank you.
Ooh.
Or is that fan behavior?
Of course not.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
You look good over there, bro.
My name Duke. What's
She
yours?
pulling up.
Desi,
Where you from?
Chicago.
Oh,
Yeah.
shit. Some Chicago niggas just walked out,
They
man.
said they was finna get down on your ass.
Nah, they was cool ass niggas, bro.
Was they?
Yeah.
You gonna take a picture?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright.
She said, you want to take a picture with me? Yo, she's the Mac.
She got it. That was.
She got it.
She got it.
She said, do you want to take a picture with
Yeah,
me?
she got it. That was good.
Sure.
That was
Wait,
mad confident.
Wait.
Hold on.
Alright.
Yeah.
Hold on, wait. The bundles.
Yeah, you messing up the hair.
They all poofy. I was looking for you yesterday.
Oh, you looking for me? Well, you
I'm not like.
Why she sound like she
I'm
got
not
an
gonna lie.
accent, dude?
Girls like that will make a nigga nervous naturally. She made the
She
most.
make
She made the most confident nigga nervous, bro.
He look like he feel kind
He's
of nervous.
nervous,
Like
bro.
he wasn't
No.
expecting her to be
That
so
nigga's nervous.
bold.
He's nervous.
He did not expect her to be so bold.
He's nervous. It's okay.
Hey, how long you
No,
out?
when girls come to you like this, I'll be nervous, bro.
Yeah.
It's like, nigga, what the
You
fuck?
don't, yeah, like
How do I
damn,
even
you
talk to
bold.
you? You just mad like, damn. How do I even rap to you right now?
Look at
Look at that nigga.
Yeah.
Before he was talking to the other girls, now he don't know what the hell to say.
What you say your name was?
Desi, nigga. Desi. Say that shit
You got
twice.
you got a boyfriend?
No.
Oh.
I got your number?
Do you have a
What?
girlfriend, nigga?
I'm out here talking to you on the strip.
Yeah.
I'm in public talking to you.
I feel you now. I ain't got no boyfriend.
Yeah, I'm finna get that then.
Where you from?
I'm from South Carolina. I live in Atlanta though.
Oh, goddamn.
She said, goddamn.
What you trying to say? I'm like country or something?
Yeah,
Type shit.
very much so.
Okay. Yeah, man. Put
Pull that motherfucker.
She sprayed on my nigga early. Now why she sprayed on him like that?
Bro.
Now why she sprayed on?
No, hold on. No.
What you looking for, right? She got back sliding.
Bro, why she look at him like that, bro?
Bro, she looked at me crazy like, nigga, don't pull that motherfucker out.
Yeah. What is that? Very much so.
She was mad
Pull that
confused.
motherfucker.
She's like, what are those?
What's going on? What you a, you a drug dealer or something?
She
Y'all
said, drop
stop
it.
playing me like that, bro.
You got a trap phone.
Yeah, man.
She got a vibe.
She got a
She could be
vibe.
my friend.
Nah, give me the real shit. Fuck you talking about? I'm not the flip, not the
Look at her.
Give me the real shit. Not the
I was just fucking around with you, see what you was on. That's it, bro.
I don't get
funny
no
as hell.
fuck if you got real shit.
funny.
I just scamming, line.
No, I was just seeing what you was on. God damn, that's it,
I
man.
know you ain't gonna text me. Oh shit, I try to say my name, but I text you to my name though.
That's cool, I know who it is.
It's Desi. Say that shit twice.
I see you typed that shit twice. So just, you know what I'm saying?
She said, Desi, say that shit twice.
Y'all,
They
Oh,
love
they
dude.
on this
They-
Oh, y'all really?
Oh, they
Matter
always
of fact, yeah, what's up?
what y'all was looking for?
Why else?
We took pictures of it.
Oh, shit. I like that.
Joyce
Man.
love
You
dude.
on you.
You got a boyfriend?
No, you
No.
got
No. Put the number in this right here.
Where's the actress? Which film at? I need that actress.
Where who?
What film at?
Yes, sir.
What film at?
Hey, look, don't even worry, man.
I'm on Chris. What's that?
It's the other one.
Where y'all from?
New York. You already know the vibe.
She had
Hey,
me
look,
dying.
New York motherfuckers some good vibes, man. Y'all welcome to the crib, man. All y'all should know, especially you.
Especially you.
Yeah.
But yeah, nah, I got you, bro. I was just fucking around. I just fucking around with you.
No, for real though. Where's my man? No, like, where's Chris?
Hey,
Tell fam I love him.
Yeah,
Hey,
that's
family.
from New York.
Man, she love you, bro. She really love
Where's
you, bro.
Chris?
She came out here and found me for you.
Yo, it's crazy. So I smoke a little hookie with you.
What's up?
Well, I'm Dominican too. I watch your visit online.
Chris get Joyce.
Beef on that nigga, man.
Yeah, that nigga here bad long, bro.
Who do great?
No, the other nigga shit.
Nah. Bro.
Nigga in the blue, his hair shit, his locks is dumb long. It just look luscious. Look beautiful, voluptuous.
That's
Excuse me. Should I still
Hey, you really gotta change that.
I don't know these guys. I've never seen these guys.
They're not famous ones.
Oh,
Nah, Fredo.
Oh, you did?
You know about David? The drinks in the crib.
I'm working. Hey, man, I'm over here working, man.
Oh, that's the gay. The bar with
Gay bar?
yeah, it's not a gay bar, but that's where they have the drags dance and yeah, it's not the gay bar.
Somebody start shaking their ass, the whole strip go crazy. No bullshit, bro. Miami is just full of niggas literally chasing after bitches, like literally chasing after bitches. You see me? I'm not going up to no bitches, bro. I'm not saying that it's anything wrong with going up the hoes, but I just can't find myself to.
Oh, so he said he don't go up. See, he don't go up. He rather come to him.
Oh.
But that's how I mean. I don't
You
go.
probably be the
I don't
same
go up
way.
to girls. I will never go up to a girl. 'Cause I just feel like, why am I going up to you? Like I don't care enough to go up to you and try to talk to you. Because like, why am I doing that? That's how I look at
It's
it.
a service.
Huh?
What are you talking about going up to girl, like to get a relation, to get to
talk to them,
them
yeah.
like oh okay.
Yeah,
But you meant like just doing your YouTube stuff.
No, other than that, yeah, if I'm going to do a video, I'll do it. But
Okay.
if I'm just chilling, I'm not gonna go up to a girl.
Right.
That's just
Chase
how I
after them,
work.
bro. If they ain't coming up to me, bro,
It's not wrong with
I ain't
them.
gonna
There's nothing
lie.
wrong with that.
I don't give a fuck. Hey.
I feel like unless if she look at you, like if a
Y'all
girl,
get
the eye contact, that's different. But I'm not gonna just
Walk
see a
up
pretty
to
girl, run her down like, oh my god, you look good. Nah, cause like I'm chasing. But if she's showing, she's giving me vibes, and like okay, then it's easier to girls give me vibes. See, this is easier because she looking at him.
My name Duke. What's yours? Where you from?
I'm from Jasper, Florida.
Oh, so you from here? Where,
No, it's North Florida, South Florida.
Far?
Yeah, it's like 7 hours from here.
Where?
7 hours.
Yeah.
You got a boyfriend there, right? You
Huh?
got a boyfriend in there, dude?
Nah, you got a girlfriend?
I'm chilling, man.
So you got a little girlfriend.
I wouldn't be on the strip, you know what I'm saying? Talking
I got me a
about
little girlfriend.
yeah, man, you need to put your number in my phone.
Yeah,
Type
yeah.
shit. Alright, chill, okay.
Chill.
Alright.
I just did a little look back.
You just made a little face, and you know what I'm saying? Type shit. I just want to.
That's really his phone though.
Nah, but
So what if
when
you
you
got a
leave from
flip
down
phone? What
here?
does it matter if you got a flip
Tomorrow, I've been here
phone?
since Friday. When you guys?
Serious?
Because I'm crying till I'm laughing till I'm crying and my eyes is
Friday,
burning.
nah, I just had yesterday.
Oh my God.
I'm about to see you before you leave.
Yeah, we gotta leave. Don't. I need a good picture, okay?
Oh, yeah, I'm down.
Yeah, be doing the live chat. Hey, what a black one. I want a picture too.
Exactly, man.
Oh my God.
That shit is so
Here around the motherfucker.
How long y'all be out here?
Get to like Monday, Tuesday, type shit.
Everybody had to take a picture.
I'm not like,
I was looking for
me too. Whenever, like my friends, whenever they go out here, they always ask me.
Oh,
If they
like
see
if
that,
they
they
see
like,
them,
where's
they know.
DJ? Because I'm never nowhere. I'm like a ghost of the group.
Always up here.
You never see me nowhere. So it's like,
Right,
where's
that's
DJ
true.
at? Y'all see me one day.
I want to
It's only Tuesday. I don't know what that day is, but you're gonna see me.
I want to see the groove in your
But
mouth.
it's good that you don't see me. What's the word I want to use? I want to use one of them words.
What are them words?
You would appreciate my presence more if you don't see this nigga every
Especially
day.
if you see him all the time.
Yeah.
Y'all know who it is. Y'all stop playing with him. Why you asking?
My homeboy throwing a party and shit, but what y'all got playing? Oh, yeah? I need to get the number or something, man. You say what?
Where y'all calling
My phone. It's right here, man.
No, what's your number?
That's how much I love you. I'm wiping my face with your
I'll put my
dirty
number in your
You
phone.
lying.
Hold on.
You lying.
I'm not lying at all. I'm No, I'm not lying at all.
But what?
I was just fucking with you with the. I didn't want to see what you was doing.
See what you go ahead.
I watch your YouTube videos.
Oh yeah. Yeah, bro, ain't nobody going for that, bro. Ain't nobody going for the flip phone, man. It's gonna be one person that do that. I get the bitch down. What's up, bro?
I already know this guys outside, no lie, bro. We just came out of this.
Word.
We were here last weekend. 2 active, so we had to come back. Right back there. We had to like Monday, I think.
I'm already tired of this shit, though.
Tired? What you mean tired? What you mean?
Yeah, you seen Kai?
Nah, I ain't seen him. I seen him last year.
He's gonna be on his way. This one I'm waiting on.
Oh, yeah, I know y'all. Alright, I'm gonna let y'all about to get stopped. OD. Nice meeting y'all, boys. So, man, look at y'all, bro.
Everybody running this. You know what, but in life, man, it's either your time or it's not. You know what I'm saying? Everybody running, but I ain't running, man. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Bro, you know what, boy? Everybody ran. That's understandable. I just hopped the fence, man. That's it, bro. I see you running too, nigga. Don't think I ain't see you.
Running with the
Yeah, I
camera.
know, man. I see you running.
Hey, when you see somebody run, you just gotta run, bro.
Hey, where my homeboys at though, man?
They going to be in it. Yeah, I saw them. Hi. What happened?
I'm doing great. How you doing?
Fine as fuck.
Yeah,
I'm sorry. I gotta give it another hug.
Okay, I appreciate it, man.
Dude, those type of girls always show my love.
I don't know. They said they started shooting.
Hey, what was you at though?
They don't even want to just want to give you a
No,
hug.
you
They
ran
want to give you
on
that number.
On my mama, you ran,
They're
nigga.
just a fan for real.
On my mama, this nigga ran, bro.
But he gonna say on my mama right there, bro.
On my mama, bro. On my mama. I looked at you, you took off. You probably stopped, bro. Let me say you definitely ran, bro.
Cap, right? This cap, ain't it?
I don't know. I saw you start to go, and then you.
You start jogging.
Look. I done like this right here and jumped the fence, right?
I don't know. You jogged a little bit.
No, I jumped the fence to get out of the way.
Okay, well look, that's what I'm saying. I see you got there and start doing shit. So I'm like,
Look, we right here. I came and jumped the fence. I caught him. I said, "CD, chill."
Hey, you know what?
They start shooting.
I'm gonna get on my phone.
I bet. Oh, that's fire right there.
But that's tough.
What y'all got going on later?
I think we ordered this party.
Word, I need to get
Another
your
hour.
number.
My number?
Yes,
Alright,
ma'am.
let me put it in. Hold on.
That shit is like easy as hell, bro. I need to get your number. Alright, let me put it in your phone. Easy as hell. That shit easy as hell, bro. Easy as hell. Don't be mad because it's not easy as hell for you, bro. Damn, bro. It's not easy as hell for you. It's easy as hell for you, bro.
Yeah, man.
Okay, okay.
She put
He
it in
put
there.
it in.
Yo.
He getting one. He said he gonna get one. She dying though.
Yo.
She
This
like
it
this
right here?
candy for real.
Okay. I'm gonna definitely be hitting you up. Nah, dead ass though. Dead ass. Huh?
Show.
Show?
Yeah, show.
Spell it for me.
S-H-O.
I fuck with that right there. All I had to do was keep it calm, bro. What?
I said just the one right here.
I guess I just gotta keep it calm, bro. I need to do a part 2 in Atlanta or something, right? Man, $70K for the part 2 in Atlanta, man. No cap, man. Getting females number with this flip phone right here is crazy. I'm not chasing after females, bro. You know what I'm saying? I'm just letting them come up to me, bro. They rizzing me up, bro. I ain't rizzing, you know what I'm saying, them up. But there's a lot of motherfucking problem, bro. Like, every nigga out here is chasing after the hoes, bro. So now you filling up the bitch's head thinking that they the shit all the
They got
time,
mad
bro.
confidence now.
The niggas is chasing, bro. Just chill. You know what I'm saying? That type shit. Hold on, what you say your name was?
Dina.
Dina.
Yeah.
Well, nice to
You do
meet you.
YouTube?
Nah, I actually just bought this motherfucker the other day, so I'm just trying shit out. Hell yeah. Where you from? Word.
Yeah.
You know what? I need to get your number, man. Yeah, put your phone in there right there, man.
Oh,
shit.
yo.
You know what? You a very good, kind-hearted individual, man. You ain't judge me at all right there. Yeah, man. Nah, it's tough, man. Hold on. That's fire right there, man.
Snatch that phone.
You don't want a number for real. I swear to God he doesn't. Just because he hesitated for so long.
Well, I like to see
Just
right
be
there,
nice.
man.
This is my friend. This is my friend Pari.
I just bought this
This is my
motherfucker,
friend
bro.
Pari. Okay.
Pari?
I look good.
He probably gonna
I'm a
know.
famous TikToker.
Oh, word? What you be doing on
Pari the
there?
Brett. I be doing everything goofy.
Type shit.
Yeah.
For sure. Well, nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you too.
Nice to meet you, too.
Nice to meet you too.
Yes, ma'am. Bro, why the fuck I come back from being on the strip. Me and Davo been on the strip. The rest of the fellas got fat bitches eating all the snacks. I just see. Get that motherfucker, got no clue. I'm sneak this like a motherfucker. Oh no, ain't nothing wrong. Sharon, but damn, we ain't even really ate nothing like that. That goddamn shit going in there getting 3-4 gummy bears.
Gummy bears, seriously.
The fella's tripping, man.
He's talking about.
Damn, bro.
Nah, that's dumb funny.
He said gummy. Let's talk about food.
No, they take eating gummy bears.
Like, you probably talking like a pack of them.
And then he bought it, probably with a pack in there, and then she just and then scooping the shit out. Yo, show the video.
That is so funny.